Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create an account right here on TickMill. If you want to do this and you want to use a real trading account, that's exactly what I will show you right here. Then you can click right here on Start Trading. If you want to use a demo account, you can click right here on Try a Demo. But for this video, I will show you how to do this for a real live trading account. So we click right here on Start Trading, and then first of all what you need to do is fill in right here your account type. So we fill in right here individual, that's fine, and then we do proceed. Then right now they want a lot of personal details. So right now we are here on page 1 of 6, and you need to complete right here all the pages. So the first page right here, fill in your first name, last name, date of birth, and select right here if you're a US citizen. Then you click on next. Then you need to do that 6 times because they need a lot of personal information. And then you will come right here at financial info and experience. Then right there on that place, you need to give them an answer to all the financial questions or info that they need from you. Because you also need to fill in your experience. So make sure that you do that correctly. Then after that, they want some documents, so your ID and most of the time entity. So you need to upload that. And then after that, you go here to the page review and confirm, and then your account is under review, and then you need to wait until they accept your account. So this is how you can create a real account right here on TickMill. Hopefully this was the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.